Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my camping backpack layered paper craft. How fun and detailed is this design? You've got the cool backpack as the outer frame. You've got mountains here in the background, trees, the little camping tent. It's just such a fun little scene. This one is really fun and really easy to put together, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this appropriately to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. It's a little bit less than 11.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a shadow box, or you just want to make it smaller, just make sure that you come up here in the sizing options. You can change the size, just leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since the project is already sized, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I know it looks like there's a lot of different layers, and there are, but I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of this together. Really quickly though, you're going to start with the white layer, then this lime colored green, a neon green, light green, dark green, light orange, burgundy, burnt orange, and then another green color. Now you can add foam squares if you want to this. I'm actually going to add some this time, and I'm actually going to put it behind the mountain layer, probably behind the tree layers, and then behind this orange layer. It's totally up to you. It's not required. It's just going to give a little bit more dimension to the design. So I'm going to layer everything together and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our camping backpack layered paper craft is all set. How fun is this project to make? I could totally see this in a shadow box or even use it on a card to give to the camping or hiking or outdoorsy person in your life. It's so much fun to make. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.